Hey, it's Brian here from quantlabs.net. I just wanted to go over some really important things that will help you in your trading. I'm not here, obviously I'm here to sell a membership to my stuff, but forget that. What I'm finding, there's a lot of lessons and stuff out there and courseware that you can pay for, and maybe some of it's good, some of it may not. But the one that was really compelling for me was a show that I've kind of seen on YouTube, but I kind of glossed over it, called $1 Million Trader from BBC, put out by a hedge fund guy named Lex Van Dam out of London. And he brought in another guy by the name of Anton Creel. Now, I don't know if that's the right name or pronunciation, but nonetheless. It's a very cool show, but the thing I really like about it is that all these newbies that come in, it just shakes down who's good and who's not, and then there's the three traders that are pretty profitable at the end of it. A lot of learning that comes out of it, and it just shows the strengths that you need for trading, the kind of personality you need for trading, all the risk management that goes involved in making decisions on your trading, and the need to find unique trading strategies like your own, basically. I think those are some of the top three that are really critical in any type of trading, however you do it, discretionary, if you're retail, institutional, doesn't matter. Now, because of that, I've also posted some interviews by Anton, that's part of the Cass University or whatever, from Cass. It's a complete rundown of his views on the industry, where it's going, the present day, how people are working and how they're being treated in the industry, and investment banking, hedge funds. It's fascinating. I mean, this is one of the first guys that I've seen, outside of my little network of people, but that it's actually gone out in public and started saying stuff, which is really fascinating. And what I took out of that was couple things. Being independent. It's virtually impossible to get into a hedge fund without, education, like proper PhD, master level education. But as an independent, you can make just as much money, and technology seems to be the name of the game. Especially automated trading, that's where I'm going. Automated trading in the sense that you get the decisions executed much faster than a human. Also, you can do it and scale it to virtually unlimited amounts, and you can scale and watch a lot of assets out there. He does mention about which asset classes and the rough percentage that you should have in your portfolio, and that's another good thing about the video series. Also, what I'm finding is when you do automated trading and writing your own, and the other lessons I'm learning for the last week and the progress I'm making there, everything's starting to really come together. Doesn't matter if it doesn't need to be high frequency trading. This is even if you're trading once a week, but you still have to apply the same principles. From my point of view, automated trading is the way to go. If you're doing it through a platform, I'm sure whatever platform you're using, there's going to be a limitation. It's been hammered in my head for the last couple of months, probably even a year. Write your own platform, and here I am actually doing it, and I'm actually making a lot more progress with it than reverse engineering or trying to understand these cryptive trading platforms. I'm not going to mention them. You've probably seen enough videos on that. So that's the direction I'm going in. I'm planning to put my stuff and progress up to my membership, just adding more values as always. And the other thing is, how do I go about developing my own trading strategies? And this is something that a lot of other people, I don't think anyone's really doing. And that's going to be done in a rapid way, in a visual way, and be able to plug and play into this new platform that I'm building that has all the basic principles for data capture, real-time analysis, charting, and execution on orders. Very powerful. What I'm doing is very simple, very primitive, but it's really good for guys that work out of your home, like here where I have this flower pot. You probably could do it, or this home light in the background that I have virtually in all my videos. So it can be done. But the other thing about Anton's videos is the characteristics that you need of your personality. And I truly, wholeheartedly believe this. You got to be self-starter. you got to be have entrepreneurial skills, and you have to be innovative. I have all those because that's all I've done all my life, and those are critical. And I think there's another element now that a lot of the older school traders don't have, and that's the know-how in technology, strong computer science, because more and more systems are being developed, and more systems are getting better and more better at analyzing and just being able to trade faster. Nothing to do with execution of being on the exchange. We're just talking about being able to make better decisions, more intelligent decisions, has better logic built in to execute trades. And a lot of discretionary traders can only trade now on long-term basis as opposed to doing on short-term. And as I said before in the last few videos, short-term is where the real opportunity lies, because if you're going to wait it out for 3 months or even a month to make a return, guess what? You could probably do the same thing in multiple times intraday if you have something that scales better and on a very, very short-term basis. So it is in your advantage. If you want to make this amount of money, yes, you can do it on a long-term basis. But if you want to make this amount of money using the same principles, but doing it on an intraday basis and be able to compete against other automated trading systems. Obviously, automation is the way, and having a better, more flexible trading platform is critical for that. And that means having your own trading system that you have access to complete source code, as well as understanding the system itself and just being able to tweak it and make it better and better and better for each iteration to make it more intelligent, faster, do it much better in higher scale levels of scalability and all that. So those are the lessons to be learned. I'm hoping people watch these videos to see where I'm coming from on my membership, but putting all this stuff up. Some of them will be live webinars, but not recorded for obviously, secrecy and security. So there you have it. Hopefully that will maybe think you maybe you should listen to moi. Okay, talk to you later. I'm just kidding, of course, because I'm just a schmuck. Later.